Good morning to everybody. Today we are going to learn how to use should and up to. You can use both to give an advice or to give an opinion, but you are going to hear more should more than up to. Up to is more formal. Okay, the affirmative form is should and the negative form is shouldn't. And here we have an example. Your grades aren't very good. You should study harder. And the negative form, you shouldn't talk so much during the classes. And now we have up to. Up to, as I told you, is more formal. And the affirmative form is up to, and the negative form is up not to. Pay attention to this negative of not to. And here we have the examples. You up to study harder. Negative form, you up not to talk so much. And then we have had better. We use had better when it is advisable to do something. If you don't, there will be a problem or a danger. Okay, and the affirmative form is had better, the negative form had better not. As an example, in sentences, we have I better study for the test or I'll fail. In the negative form, I better not meet my friends today. Another thing that I wanted to explain you it was the use of up to. In the United States, you are going to hear this like up to. You up to study harder, or you are studying harder. You are studying harder is more informal, but you are going to use only in affirmative sentences, not in negative. Okay. A very important thing here, pay attention to this. Should and up to is just a good idea to do something. Had better, there is a problem or a danger if you don't follow this the advice. Okay? And now we have more examples here. In here, as we saw before, should is to give suggestions or offering the advice. And here we have the examples of you should apply for that job, you should try that new restaurant, up to, as I told you before, less frequent in the American English. You ought to call home, you ought to be with me. And had better. Had better is stronger and carries an indirect threat boss. You had better finish that report, Dad. You had better not hit your sister. As I told you, it is advisable to do something, or maybe there will be a problem. That's why, in that case, you are going to use had better. Okay, that's all for today, and I see you in class. Bye.